guys, this video today, and today I'll be showing you how you can get a barrier block. So let's get, and today I'll just get that out of the way. Okay, so you want to go to tile and you want to do slash give at or username. You can do anything. I'll just do my username player. That's my username. I didn't really get a username yet because it's not the full version of it. That and you want to do BARRIER, so a barrier. And this will be in the video, guys. This is just a little show off how to get a barrier block, and I'll be telling you what you can do with this in Minecraft. You can prank people with these if you don't know what a barrier is. You can hack with these. You can hack on the server if you know how to hack on these servers. This is not the full version, so it will not really work on the server because I don't want multiplayer. And it's really annoying. It takes a little while and it thinks you're still there, but it's not. It's just a paper thing, whatever, on there. It's still there. It's like the blocks broke, but it's not there. I'll let you go away. And yeah, that'll be the end of the video, guys. Bye!